Hello everyone, a warm welcome once again from Heikin Ashi Trading Room. Whereas today we'll be taking another trade. So let's check what the 1 hour chart on TradingView is indicating. The 1 hour chart is showing an uptrend. Therefore, I will wait for confirmation on the 5 minutes chart before entering an uptrend trade. I think this particular area is a perfect place for taking trades. So I have placed a pending order here. If the market reaches this point, I will take the trade, otherwise I won't. Now we have successfully entered our first trade. The automatic buy order has been placed. Let's see how it goes. The market has moved very close to our take profit level. Just a little more is needed. And there it is. Our first trade has hit the take profit target and was successful. So viewers, if I get another trade opportunity today, I will take it while recording the screen. Even if it results in a loss, I will share that trade as well. So till then, take care. I'm back again. According to my analysis, there is a potential trade opportunity here. So let's wait for a better trade setup. I can see a good position for entering a trade, so I am taking it directly. Oh shit, I made a big mistake. Big mistake. Oh shit. I just forgot to check the RSI. Actually, a buy order should only be placed when the RSI is above 70, but it has not reached that level yet. I might have to average this trade. Anyway, let's see what happens. And as expected, my trade is going into a reversal and it's moving exactly toward the level I selected for averaging. Anyway, one thing to note here, the level where I plan to take another trade for averaging has not broken downward, so I won't take another trade right now. the market is moving back up. Hoping for the best, hoping for the best. Viewers, I won't wait for my take profit target in this trade what I selected before. Instead, I will take a safe exit with minimum profit, because this trade was supposed to be a loss or requiring the averaging. So I have lowered my target a bit. Even a small profit here is fine with me. Enough. Because as I said, I was just supposed to be a loss. And my take profit has been hit at exactly 64.7 for BTT. Anyway, this was a very wrong entry, but there is a lesson to learn from it. We can sometimes make incorrect entries, but the key is not to panic. It's important to stay calm and composed. Anyway, that's it for today. I probably won't take any more trades. Signing off for now. But if I find a really good opportunity before 10 p.m. in Bangladesh time, I'll take another trade and see you again. Take care, everyone. Stay safe. Hello. Viewers, it looks like we might get a good trade opportunity here. Let's see when our setup gives us an entry signal. Finally, we have entered a trade. I have taken a short position. This time our target is quite high and the averaging point remains the same. Now we have to wait for a while. We are very close to our take profit level, viewers. Let's see. And there it is. Our take profit level has been hit again. Viewers, this was an excellent trade. Our profit percentage stands at 11.35%. Huge. It's huge. Anyway, for today's trade is the first trade yield 5% profit. The second trade, which was a big mistake, still ended in profit 4.28%. Luck was on our side. And third, the final trade resulted in a little over 11% profit. That's it for today, because my trading session is almost over also. As the market trends to low volatility after 10 p.m. Bangladesh time, making it harder to find good trends. That's why I prefer to trade between 2 p.m. and 10 p.m. Anyway, I'll see you all tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Good night.